I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to your new phone. First, if you're upgrading, you'll need to unpair your watch from your old iPhone. Open the Watch app, tap All Watches, then the Info button next to your watch, and select Unpair Apple Watch. Next, make sure your new iPhone is updated to the latest iOS and both devices are charged to at least 50%. This preparation ensures a smooth transition. Now let's get your watch paired. Power on your Apple Watch and hold it close to your new iPhone. A message will pop up on your iPhone asking if you want to pair this Apple Watch. Tap Continue. Then, use your iPhone's camera to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your watch screen. This step securely links the two devices, usually taking just a few seconds to recognize each other. Once paired, you'll have the option to restore your Apple Watch from a backup. If you previously backed up your watch with your old iPhone, select Restore from Backup and choose the most recent one. This will transfer all your settings, apps, and health data. If you prefer a fresh start, you can choose Setup as New Apple Watch. The restoration process might take several minutes, depending on your data size. To finalize, simply follow the remaining on-screen instructions on your iPhone. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password, agree to terms and conditions, and set up features like Apple Pay. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If you encounter any issues like pairing failures, try restarting both your Apple Watch and your new iPhone. Most connection problems are resolved with a simple restart, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.